Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a problem on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up the Candy Crush application. So just go ahead and open it up.
Now, once the application is opened up, you can tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Now, once the settings menu is opened up, tap on the question mark at the bottom, and now the help center will open up. You can just scroll down and look at the frequently asked questions and solutions to frequent errors. Just tap on the relevant issue that you are having and you will find the solutions that you can try. In case the solution doesn't work for you, you can scroll all the way down and then tap on the Contact Us button. You will then be asked to enter your email address, your full name, and then select the kind of issue that you're having. After selecting your issue from the drop-down menu, you can type in specifically what you need help with and then tap on the Submit button, and this will send a report to the Candy Crush developer team. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to report an error in Candy Crush.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.